Shining Star here, coming at you from southern New Mexico. Today, I want to talk to you about my experience with the Ratproof Chicken Feeder. Sometimes, due to an old injury, taking care of my ducks can be quite physically challenging for me. About 2 years ago, in an effort to work smarter and not harder, I purchased a rat-proof chicken feeder. The one I purchased had a treadle so that my ducks could stand on it. Prior to this purchase, my ducks went through a 50-pound bag of feed every 4 to 5 weeks. Shortly after this purchase, I realized that my ducks were going through the same size 50-pound bag in about 10 days. I also noticed that they were making a mess, and this was a new behavior for them. Um, there was food all over from where they stick their head in into the hopper, I guess you call it, the bottom of the hopper, and they stood on the treadle, and there was food everywhere. And I had no idea why that it was so messy and why they were going through so much food. I at first thought, well, they're free feeding now, so they're eating more, or why they're in a hurry and they're making a mess. Anyway, I had no idea what was going on, so I purchased some security cameras and I put them in the duck house, and I was very surprised to see what was really going on. So have a look and see what you think.